Hey there everyone, do you want to learn how to do grip tape art and save $20 in the process? Or go to Braille University and spend $20 on how to learn how to do grip tape art basics, tell you all these different things on what to do. Or you could just watch this and save the 20 bucks. So there's two different ways to do grip tape art. First way is basically by taking a design, drawing it out, cutting it, and then spraying it on your grip tape. The second way is by taking your grip tape and then hand drawing and then hand painting the design of your choice on the grip tape. So those are the two different ways that you can do grip tape art. And today we're going to do the hand drawing type, and we're going to be choosing this teddy bear to do on my grip tape. So the supplies needed to do this is my skateboard with the grip tape that I'm going to be doing it on, as well as a pencil and a sharpener and some felt pens and some paint markers. So I'm going to tell you the steps to doing the art on your grip tape, and then I'm going to do a time lapse and speed it up so you don't have to sit there for however long it takes me to actually do the art. So the reason why you want a pencil and pencil sharpener is because the first thing you're going to do is try to draw out the design, like an outline of what you're actually going to draw, and it's a lot easier to see just in case if you make mistakes you can like blow it off and then redo it. After you got your base design, what you're going to do is take a white paint marker or white paint, and you're going to use that as a base and basically fill in that whole area with just white and then wait for it to dry. Then after that, if you want, you can redraw out the whole design with the pencil, or you can just go straight into felt pens and paint markers and just fill it in with the color, the outline, and all that, and basically get her done. So I'm just going to get this done, and I'm going to speed it up and do a time lapse, and I'll talk to you guys and see you guys after I'm done. Hopefully it turns out really good. Alright, so there you go. I'm gonna name this Fetty the Peddy grip tape art. And yeah, it turned out pretty good. The colors are a little off compared to the actual logo because I couldn't find the actual colors. Hey, you know what? At least it somewhat matches. I think it turned out pretty good. If you agree, please like this video. So those are the ways that you can do grip tape art, and this is the way that I decided to do it and show you guys. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please comment down below and please subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and peace out.